Alright guys, it's been a while. Marathon Digital. Let's have a look at this name. Stock is trading June 21st, Friday. Big option expiration date. Stock is down 7.5%, $19. That's the 50-day simple moving average right here at the moment, 1880-ish or so. So what I'm looking at, well, this stock has been in range bound for quite some time. That's why maybe I was not talking about this name as much. So right here, right now, I'm still neutral and slightly bullish biased, but if the stock breaks the 17, which is the 200-day moving average at the same time, and also this trend line that I'm watching, then I will be watching this name to the downside. Also, I would be waiting to play potentially to the upside if the stock breaks 284. You can see I have a bunch of alerts which I get on my phone. If I'm not on my desk, I can take easily trades when I get these alerts that I set, which is just push notification to my app, basically Thinkorswim. So what I'm watching, well, these are the levels, right? I was looking at the well, you all know what's going on with the overall, right? Short term, yeah, it is technically speaking in a downtrend. You can see 1 month, 1 week, 3 months, 6 months, however you want to look at it. But short term, yeah. But in terms of the filings, I was looking at, I wasn't watching this one, but I'll just pull it out for you guys and you can read it yourself. So it looks like they have a shareholder meeting coming up next week, which is 27th, I believe. Yep, Thursday, June 27th. Okay, I'll just read a little bit. I don't know what it is about. So on April 29th, Marathon Digital filed definitive proxy statement Schedule 14A with the SEC in connection with the company's annual meeting, stockholders to be held June, Pacific time. Company's supplementary proxy to provide additional information related to proposal number 4 for consideration by stockholders. Capitalized term used blah blah blah. Okay. Dear stockholders, we are writing to encourage you to vote in accordance with the recommendation of our board directors on all of the proposals to be voted upon at the annual meeting. In particular, we seek your support for proposal number 4, the approval of amendment to our amended and restated 2018 equity incentive plan to increase the number of shares of our common stock per value per share reserved under plan by 15 million, which is fully described in the proxy statement. Okay, so they're gonna increase the shares. Well, they're seeking increase the number of shares of common reserve under by which will enable the compensation committee of the board to continue to grant LITP awards to align the interests of our employees with the, I don't know, is it for their employees to pay? But anyway, so they're gonna increase the shares by 50. That's what they're seeking for. That's another dilution for you guys, 100%. And another thing I noticed from last filing, you guys remember S3? I don't see it. I didn't dig too much. You go to SEC, read it yourself, guys. I have talked about this name many times. I don't have time for this one. 282 million outstanding shares. So it looks like from whatever they filed last time, they probably dumped it all, $1.5 billion. That's how much they were seeking to raise. And then they had maybe some leftover from previous years, but they will disclose it on their next earnings report. Maybe they'll do more. I don't know. But if stock starts moving higher, why not? They can. Because the stock's outstanding shares can reach up to 500 million, just FYI. I mean, it doesn't mean that they're going to, but that's their, I mean, whenever they went public, that was the thing. Okay, so far right here right now, I'm watching this name as a support 1750, 17-ish. Below that I'm bearish. Above 23 I'm bullish. Right here right now, well, for the past like months or so, if you were trading it, you were shaken out many times. So choppy sideways move action just by looking at the last months. So that's the update for Marathon Digital. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next one.